In making leche flan, the first thing we have to do is crack the egg and separate the egg yolk with the white one. There, as you can see, Kim is separating the egg yolk. Then, we will put in other container so it will be separated. And it will be repeated in other eggs. And now we are going to beat the egg. Beat, beat, beat. And we are going to beat until it is beaten truly. And now we are putting the half can of the condensed milk, and we will stir it. And there. And now we are pouring the evaporated milk into the mixture or the container together with the egg. And now we will put sugar in the llanera. We will make sure that it is completely covered. Like that. And now we are going to heat the sugar inside the llanera until it will turn into a caramel. And now it's turning dark golden brown. And we will wait for it to cook. See there. And now the mixture will be put into a cup, then transferred to the caramelized sugar inside the llanera. There it goes. It will be done in every llaneras. And now we are going to wrap the foil above the llanera so that when it is cooked, the moist or the water will not go inside the llanera. It is now put in a steamer so that it will be cooked.